moving around my trailer with rocks and bricks and sometimes my zero turn and any other lawn equipment or building supplies, 2x4s, whatever it is, my trailer, sometimes I do jackknife it. And I am a good driver though, but sometimes because I jackknife it, I bust a tail light on one of my trucks. So I'm about to get ready to get rid of old Trusty Dusty right here. And what I wanted to do was, before I got rid of it, I wanted to fix some of the things that was wrong with it. This ain't about just like, getting money back for my old Trusty Dusty here, but this is about giving something warm and toe down some new life. Building from the ground up. Giving something that is torn down from the ground up and bringing it up so that somebody else can have some value. And that's one of the things we do as a Flourisher 321 man. We build from the ground up. We build value from the ground up. Yep. 321, Flourish. Hope that message serves you. Gratitude.